of computer. That time the writers, at the old times everyone was writing inside this. Their jobs was gone, but the new job have been erased there, like digital writing. So that have been erased there. So they can learn it there. So it's not been adapting there, it's been advanced. Their job is being advanced to a higher level.
See, a person who don't know to count
Okay.
cannot multiply and divide.
Yes. So they will be monitoring the robot. So new jobs are being created. They can learn new skills here. They are
No.
lots of skills.
How can you say that? A robot will be. Say there is a robot and a person to monitor the robot. Two jobs at the same time. No, it is not practically possible. Why we are having people for robots?
I need that. So if there is 10 robots, one person for monitoring and maintenance, it's okay. So for taking the rest from and cleaning that.
Sorry, I didn't get your point. Okay, sir. I didn't get your point.
Sir, so there are 20 robots here.
Yes, okay.
Cleaning each classrooms.
Cleaning each classroom. Okay.
So one person is assigned in a room to sit and monitor its progress in their computer.
See, even if there is no human robot, there is one person to monitor. That is our principle. Our principle is monitoring more than 300 plus. I think.
Yes, sir.
Then why we have artificial
When this
intelligence?
job goes,
We have our principle to monitor everything.
yes, sir. When this job goes, there are new
And
jobs
this is
here.
not artificial intelligence robot.
Yes, sir. That's also a job.
First of all, I am cleaning the room. Now I am cleaning the artificial intelligence.
Yes, sir. That's also a job opportunity.
Job I have to do the robot. So you replaced me from the job, and I have to do that
You
job.
can do the maintenance work of that robot, yeah.
Yes, I have to look after that robot. Anyway, I have to look at that after that.
And if you're 60 years, 90 years or anything, sir, we know that you have a good IQ and ability skills. You can learn any programming language easily.
Artificial intelligence do not have IQ. Right? Artificial intelligence do not have IQ. Who said the point? Artificial intelligence do not have intelligent quotient and emotional quotient.
They have IQ. They have
IQ, how IQ is calculated?
Sir, I will say, when you are chatting something to
How IQ is
the
calculated?
IQ of artificial, the IQ of that is called as artificial intelligence. Okay?
No, IQ will be calculated as of now.
That is called as artificial intelligence.
No, IQ is calculated.
That is called as artificial intelligence.
No, man.
Google, please me artificial intelligence. Siri, please. What?
Okay.
What?
Hey Siri, please me artificial.
Hey Siri, please me artificial intelligence. എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് അൺബോക്സ് ചെയ്യണം.
Sir, you don't know at least.
അതാ പറഞ്ഞത്.
That's true. I really appreciate that point, why? Because humans have a huge history of evolution and the AI do not have. So survival of the fittest will happen. Very good. I appreciate that point.